So in a recent Facebook posting, a woman was asking for a referral to a good attorney for a friend. And then she said she really needs a shark. This is Anju Jasani with Divorce with Dignity Mediation Services. And I'm here today to talk about the difference between a good attorney and a shark, and to give you the advice that when you use a shark, there's going to be blood in the water and not just your spouse's. So what does a shark do? A shark is going to be filing constant motions in court during the litigation process. A shark is going to make outlandish demands and not present you with a realistic view of how your case is going to settle. A shark is going to use incendiary language that alienates both your attorney and you, and the shark is going to run up the bill. And when you hire the shark, who is your spouse going to hire? And if you want to see an example of that, watch Marriage Story. You know, the wife hires Laura Dern and the husband hires the reasonable attorney, Alan Alda. But after a while, he feels like he's getting run over, and he feels the only way that he's going to get his way is by hiring the shark as well. So what does a good attorney do as opposed to a shark? A good attorney is going to, first of all, provide you with a realistic view of how your case should settle. What's your best case, worst case, most realistic likelihood if you were to go to court? And then the attorney is going to sit down with you and try and understand what your interests are beyond the law. You know, where do you want your spouse to live? What kind of relationship do you want to have with each other? And he's going to encourage you to settle with your spouse. If you can't come to a settlement eye to eye, that attorney will encourage you to go to mediation to try and resolve your differences in a very cost-effective manner. And as a mediator, I get a lot of referrals from attorneys who are looking to settle their cases without spending a lot of money and time. A good attorney is going to tell you when you're asking for something that's unrealistic, so he keeps you in the bounds of what you might get if you went to court. And a good attorney is not going to act as your therapist and really run up the bill. They're going to be cognizant of billing, and they're going to send you frequent bills so you know where your retainer is. If you need a list of good attorneys, I'm happy to give that. I work with a lot of attorneys in New Jersey, both in Hudson and Hunterdon County, and can make a good referral. I'm Anju Jasani with Divorce with Dignity Mediation Services. I am happy to talk to you about your divorce and how mediation can help. You can find information on the contact page of this video. Anju Jasani, Divorce with Dignity Mediation Services, saving dollars, making sense.